In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a Microsoft Teams group. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by signing in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're on the page, log in using your account credentials. This usually involves entering your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you have set up two-factor authentication, make sure to have your mobile device handy to complete the sign-in process. After you've successfully logged in, you will need to access your communities. This is a straightforward step. Simply look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. There, you'll find the Community section. Clicking on this section will display a list of all the teams or communities you are a part of. These groups are usually organized by relevance or activity, so take a moment to find the one you want to email. Once you see the list, it's time to select your specific community. Click on the group you wish to reach out to. This will open up the Communities page where you can communicate with its members and view shared documents and announcements. Now let's start an announcement. Look for the Announcement option, which you should see prominently displayed once you're in the Community page. This feature is specifically designed for sharing important updates with all members of the group. Clicking on it will open up a new window where you can craft your message. Next, it's time to draft your message. Take a moment to enter the relevant details in the message body. It's important to ensure your message is clear and concise. The goal here is to communicate effectively with your group. Avoid jargon and keep your language straightforward. If you're sharing important information such as meeting details or project updates, make sure to highlight the key points to make them easily noticeable. A crucial step in this process is enabling email notification. Before you proceed, you'll need to check the box that says Notify via email. This is important because it ensures your message is not only sent within the Teams app, but is also delivered directly to each member's email inbox. This way, even those who may not be actively checking Teams can stay informed. Finally, once you've drafted your announcement and enabled the email notification, it's time to post and send. Look for the Post button at the bottom of the announcement window and click it. This action will send your announcement out as an email to the entire group, allowing everyone to receive the important updates you've shared. And that's it. You've successfully emailed your Microsoft Teams group. Remember, following these steps not only aids in effective communication, but also ensures that everyone in your team is on the same page. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips.